I record start. Yes, dear. Now, second point is company conquest. Company means East India Company. Conquest means victories of East India Company. Year is given 1757 and 1849. In between this duration. Okay, almost this is the duration of 17, 18, 100 years duration it is, I think. What happened? At the, you can see everybody, at my right hand, at your right hand, sorry, left hand side, there is a map of India. Left hand side, you can see the map of India. India was so vast. Pakistan part of India. And who spoiled? Chirag Saxena. I know. Okay, I allow you because you did not spoil the reading task. Very good. I agree. So it is not your mistake. This is what I allowed you. What I allow you can be done. My dear, still at the on the screen at your left side you can see India's map. But this map is not as we see today.
No.
Why? What the difference between today's map of India and this map of India? What the difference? Can you tell? Who can tell?
But today's map of India is small, but this map of India is very big.
Very good, very good. Why it is big? Can you answer the question? Why it is big?
Because Pakistan
From this Pakistan, Afghanistan, Japan
are in our country in this map.
Very good, very good. You are right, everybody. Let us read. With its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. India 1765. Okay, yellow picture India princess. And yellow and pink pictures British territory. You can say British territory was so lower. In 1765, okay, hardly some part, we can say only 5% part of India was occupied, was conquered by British. You can see the red. You studied the Indian map, everybody? You studied the Indian map
Yes,
of
sir.
1765. You can see yellow part shows Indian princes and British part shows that is the color, pink color of British. Very little color is there, you can see. Indian princes were short-sighted. Short-sighted means they are not far-sighted. They are very selfish, we can say. They can see only 2 days. They can guess for today or tomorrow. They cannot guess for 100 years, for 50 years, for 1,000 years. They cannot guess. That is, they were short-sighted. And what do you mean by short-sighted? What do you mean by short-sighted? Any of you? Short-sighted. Opposite of short-sighted is far-sighted. Far-sighted means one who can see of 100 years, 50 years or more, and one who can see only of tomorrow or 1 year, he is short-sighted. Understand the difference? Hello, everybody. You know the difference between short-sighted and far-sighted? Hello, everybody. So, short-sighted means निकट की देखे. Far-sighted means दूरदृष्टा हो, दूर तक की सोचे. That upstart Raja called the English merchants, they will help me to defeat him. They call the English merchants with the hope that these English merchants will help the Indian Raja to defeat the enemy that is also Indian. The people had no peace due to such constant fights. In this way, the fight was going on between Indian princes, and British were helping these Indian princes. Sometimes they were helping this, sometimes that. In this way, this was the policy of the British. Divide and rule was the policy of British. Now, the rivalries, enmities, rivalries helped the East India Company, and it could easily subdue Indian princes one by one. One by one, it got victory over Indian princes. because Indian princes were fighting among themselves. Okay, and hence it was the golden opportunity for the East India Company, okay, to defeat them one by one. Now, Mayank Nowar admitting again. Next, hello, who will read now? This part, second part. A far-seeing ruler. Who can read? Yeah, read out. A far brave Tipu of Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. A far-seeing ruler like the brave Tipu of Mysore. In Mysore, there was Tipu Sultan. Tipu was the son of Hyder Ali. Okay, and he knew this. He was a far-sighted king. He fought the British till he died fighting. He continuously fought against British and he died. Is it clear, my dear? Tipu Sultan died. How he died? Fighting against the British, he died. Any query? Any question? Anybody else? Any problem?
Sir,
Yes. Oh, spoiler. Who was? Lakha. आगे आतंकवादी आगे शायद पहचान करो आतंकवादी को जरा 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 पहचान करो